So how can you change the view on a calendar on your iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, if you're using the built-in calendar app from Apple, you can obviously open it up and get inside and you can switch the view from like different types, right? So for example, you might be selected to show the day view only, right? So you can scroll vertically during your day, but you can come back and see the whole month view, right? You can come back and see the year view. So that's like the way to see different like views, I guess, with the different styles and like months or whatever. But even if you, for example, go to the day, you can tap on the button at the top right there, which looks like this. And you can switch from the single day to multi-day to even list, right? So if you click on list, you're only going to see the list of your upcoming events. If you go to the multi-day, you can see we have a couple of different days, like 2 at a time, sort of, right? So that might be useful for a lot of people, or you can switch it to the single day. When you get to the month view, you as well have some options where you can have it stacked, compact, or with details as well. So as you can see, you have more views for the calendar view as well. When it comes to the year, you don't have that options anymore. So that's kind of how it works. Obviously, you can also like pinch in to zoom in on all of the views technically, right? So no matter if you are on the day or month, you can also use the pinch gesture to go a bit in or out. And that's how you can change it. Obviously, if you don't like the way it works within the Apple calendar, you can explore some third-party calendar options like the one from Google or even other apps are available there, and you can explore different apps if you perhaps will like those more. So let me know what you think about that below. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.